Really? Watch out. Look, you guys, I just fed them. Talk about picky. They don't want this. They want the other stuff. Yeah, they don't. I got 2 bags, 1 of each. I was doing an experiment. Stop, guys. And they don't like this stuff. So what I'm going to do is just, I guess I'll mix it up good and hope and pray that they go through it all. And right now I'll put, I don't know. I'll put a scoop of it in there, the other stuff, and mix it together and see if they eat it. But you guys are something else, boy. But thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you.